Hi guys, in this video, we will talk about the 5 best outdoor griddle for 2022. In the summer, you need outdoor cooking to enjoy your favorite barbecue. Griddles with flat surfaces are ideal for cooking. For those who like breakfast, you can easily make large quantities of pancakes, bacon, hash browns, and eggs at once. The griddle plate provides enough space to hold a lot of food. For example, you can have a fried egg on one side and a hamburger patty on the other. Let's take a look at some of the outdoor griddles we recommend taking home for an outdoor cooking session. If you want more information, don't forget to check links mentioned in the description box. Okay, now we start with the video. Our top pick is Blackstone 36 inches outdoor flat top gas griddle. This high-quality Blackstone product is found in many restaurants and pool resorts. One of the most durable griddles on the market, it features a combination of stainless steel burners, black steel frames, and cold-rolled steel stoves. A 720 square inch flat top cooking space that weighs 120 pounds, measures 62.5 by 22 and 36 inches, and covers 4 independently controlled stainless steel burners that provide an impressive 60,000 British thermal unit in multiple heat zones. The thick, cold-rolled 7-gauge steel cooking surface provides excellent heat retention for more uniform cooking across the surface. Assembly will take about 10 minutes if it arrives unassembled. All you need to assemble is a Phillips screwdriver and a monkey wrench, but it's probably best to install it outdoors. The hose and regulator are already installed, and the kit includes all torch valve knobs and ignition mechanisms that need to be operated. The base of the trolley is fitted with 4 industrial casters for ease of movement, 2 of which can be locked for stability. At number 2, Royal Gourmet Regal GB4000 4-burner gas griddle. This large 4-burner gas griddle is a product of Royal Gourmet, based in Georgia, USA, known for its variety of outdoor grill solutions. The cold-rolled steel griddle, which weighs 125 pounds, measures 63.8 inches by 22.4 inches by 34.6 inches. It provides a 784 square inch cooked surface and is finished and extremely durable. There are a total of 4 independently controlled 13,000 BTU stainless steel burners, enabling excellent thermal control and cooking zones at different temperatures across the surface. One of the great features of this product is its large ability to collect fat under the combustion chamber. Its ergonomic design uses a black powder-coated steel frame with 4 casters and brakes attached to the legs for added ease of use. 2 large foldable side tables, each capable of supporting up to 25 pounds, it provides more preparation or storage space during cooking. The stainless steel bezel is already fitted with all knobs and ignition controls, and 2 side shelves and brackets are mounted on the sides of the griddle. You can also fold the legs for easy storage and transportation. At number 3, Cuisinart CGG501 Gourmet Gas Griddle. Another striking portable flat grill is this compact unit from the renowned consumer electronics maker Cuisinart. With 2 burners instead of 1, you can use different heat zones and get a heat output of 20,000 BTU. Weighing 25 pounds and measures 21 inches by 20.50 and 9 inches, it has 285 square inches of cooking surface and compact footprint. It's perfect for preparing a steak dinner on your deck or patio. The included hose uses a 20-pound propane bottle, which makes it a bit unsuitable for camping. It is easy to install and comes in 4 separate parts. Simply attach the 4 legs to the base of the painted steel body before placing the thick cold-rolled steel griddle on top. It is easy to carry because it has 2 side handles on the main body. A large drip tray goes in and out of the front fascia with 2 burner controls. A connection hose with a regulator is included to connect to the gas cylinder. Camp Chef 2-in-1 flat top griddle is at number 4. This is a griddle that doubles as a traditional grill. If you still need great burn marks on your steak, but you need the versatility to cook breakfast items or small, delicate items on the flat grill, this is the combo model. Weighing 142 pounds, it measures 62.5 inches by 37 inches and 22 inches. It comes with 12,000 BTU 4 burners, unmatched ignition, and a flat 604 square inches stove. You can remove the steel plate from other griddle plates, but it is rarely recommended to use it as a grill. Burners usually have no protection against fat or juice drips and can clog, burn, or break down. This is not the case with this product, which was intentionally designed for both purposes. It also includes 2 foldable side shelves for the work area, a grease management system with bucket catchers and side mount brackets, and a hose and regulator for a 20-pound propane cylinder. This large griddle is often shipped in multiple boxes, but some may arrive separately. Assembling can be a bit more complicated than other griddle plates, so make sure all parts have arrived before you start building the unit. It's very easy to turn the body over and attach legs and shells. At number 5, Onlyfire Universal Stainless Steel Griddle. Onlyfire is another company known for making quality stainless steel grills that will match your existing grill. Weber, the king of grills, stocks and recommends Onlyfire accessories for its line of best-selling grills. It doesn't get any better than that. That's great. The Universal Stainless Steel Grill weighs 8.7 pounds and is 18 inches wide, with a depth of 12.5 inches, but there is also a 23-inch version. Similar to the Little Griddle Professional series, it has removable handles and even provides a wrench to tighten them. With a cooking surface of more than 200 square inches, it will fit almost any gas grill. The ventilated cross-brace system provides resistance and evenly distributes heat to the cooking surface. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us, and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch further more videos. See you guys in the next video.